Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can listen to many of the world's shortwave US upper and lower sideband Morse code AM and FM radio transmissions. Now, you may not be able to pick up every one in the world from here, but you can pick up on a lot of interesting ones for sure using this website. I will put the link in the description, but here it is. So basically, this is a software-defined radio with a receiver in the Netherlands that allows you to pick up on many interesting radio stations and transmissions. Like here, I will tune into 4625, and there's the signal from UVB 76, the buzzer. You can mute and adjust the volume here. And there's also a neat graphic here showing that there is a signal on that frequency. You can either type in what frequency you want to tune to, or adjust manually using this. It will also tell you exactly what you're currently selected on, which station that is. So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is What's Up 290, and I'm signing off. See you next video. Hope you enjoyed.